We are trying to figure out the least amount that an insurance plan could have paid. And employee pays the first 450 plus 20% of additional. Okay, so employee pays 20% of additional. So what does that mean? That means that the employer is paying 80%. Right? That's the plan. So it looks to me like that's a 1-to-4 relationship. And up to a maximum total payment of $1,350. So if I take the $1,350 and back out the $450 that the employees paid, that gives me $900. And the employer is going to pay 4 times that amount, so it looks to me like it'll be $1,600, which is C.